Very pink today, Charlotte.
Yeah, I got pink pants, pink dress, pink jacket, pink tights, and pink glasses.
Oh, wow. Very
Yeah.
pink. What's happening today?
Christmas party! And Santa's coming.
Santa's coming. He's taking
Yeah.
time out of his busy schedule to come and see you.
Yeah, I will play some games.
Wow. Can I come to the Christmas party?
You got whoa.
Ah. You're dressed very smartly, Rach. What are you doing?
I have got an interview at Boots at 11:30.
Ooh, get you. Well, you look very smart, so they better give you a job.
Fingers crossed.
Rachel's dressed for her interview, looking like a young apprentice.
Hopefully I won't get fired.
You're fired.
No!
And I'm ready to go to work. I'm actually so excited to be going back to my old store. It's unreal how much I've missed it. It's too hot in this car. Why do you always have it so hot?
Oh, for goodness sake, tell Joe's back. She's in the car and she's twiddling with my knobs.
No,
Get off me knobs. It's my car.
no.
Drive your own car if you want to twiddle with your knobs.
I think it's the first time I've played that this year, so now
That
I'm feeling
sounds so
proper
wrong.
It does sound so wrong.
festive.
I think I need to buy some new rechargeable batteries because the ones I've got in my camera don't seem to hold their charge very long. I turned on my camera and it said I had full charge, and then when I went to record something, it died on me. So I'm recording this on my phone again. I've just got back home from work. I'm just heating up my tea and I'm going to enjoy a nice glass of wine or two, or the whole bottle. Haven't decided yet.